Are you selling, buying, or renting a home in 2023? You won't want to miss this real estate market update. I'm Lisa Selvage with eXp Realty Brokerage in Muskoka, and we just released our National Real Estate Market Outlook, where we share economists' predictions for the coming year. In it, we'll answer burning questions like, where are mortgage rates and home prices headed? When is the pace of home sales expected to pick up again? And what it all means for Muskoka home sellers, buyers, and renters. Before we get into all that, if you watch and enjoy this video, please let us know by giving it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop us a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for more Muskoka real estate advice and news. Now let's get into the market update. So will buyers return to the market? Last year we saw a very big decline in sales. The prices of homes declined over the period of the year due to mortgage increases. Douglas Porter, the chief economist at BMO Capital Markets, projects that existing home sales will fall through the first half of 2023, and then it's going to reverse course and begin to rise in the third quarter. If you were a home buyer or a home seller in 2021 and the beginning of 2022, you know it was craziness. The prices were skyrocketing, going way too high, way too fast, and we had multiple offers everywhere. And then, inflation set in and the government got involved. They gave away too much money, and then things had to be stabilized. So mortgage rates started to increase, and when that happened, prices of homes began to decline. The number of sales started to decline. But in 2023, we will see a decline continue, but it should level out by the end of the first quarter, which we're hoping. Investors are still investing because they know over the long haul that real estate appreciates in value, so they're in it for the long game. And of course, in this market right now, everything's on sale. So it depends what your perspective is, okay? Rents are supposed to continue to increase. And if rents are increasing, do you really want to pay off somebody else's mortgage, or do you want to get in the game? So Muskoka is really no different than what's going on in the rest of Canada. Prices have continually decreased in most cases, and days on market has increased and number of sales are down. We will probably see the same thing heading into the first quarter of January 2023, where they say things are going to start to stabilize and prices might increase, and hopefully, fingers crossed, mortgage rates come down. So if you want to see all the numbers in detail, please click on the link that will take you to the Instagram page, and you can see the numbers in black and white. Other than that, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. And if you want somebody who will work on your behalf and have your best interests at heart, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to help.